Good morning, folks. Today I'd like to talk to you about your car's extended warranty. Just kidding. We've been using the Ford tractor, the 861 a bit, and it's been having some issues with the 3-point lifting, the post hole auger, and we found out why it's having issues. Let me show you. So this is a draft sensing top link, and it's got this rod back here that runs through that spring and into the top housing there for the 3-point hitch. Anyway, I can't think of the word for that, but anyway, it's rubbing on the seat and it's binding up. It really does not want to move, so then the 3-point hitch doesn't lift all the way and it doesn't pull the auger up out of the hole. So anyway, I'm going to get the seat off and we'll show you how we're going to fix that seat issue. Alright, so I'm glad you're still with me. Here's the bottom of the seat. We got it off the tractor there. Well, you can see it's been rubbing here and here, which is stopping this rod over here from moving. It's been rubbing here and here. It's actually got a divot worn into the seat too, or this lever anyway. I'm bad with words since my brain surgery. Please forgive me, but we're going to try and give this a cut here, and I'm going to try and video it while I cut it, but I'm using my phone and it's kind of difficult, so give me a moment here. I'll get it together. Okay, so plasma cutter, I've got everything set up here, I think properly. So grab my special glasses here, and then we'll see if we can notch this out to make room for the whoop, got sparks in my shoes. There we go. Alrighty, so here's what I cut out, just a notch here and a little hole there. I'm trying to keep the strength of the seat. I don't know how much that's important, but we'll do our best anyway. But the two spots where it's rubbing are now gone. We'll put the seat back in and see how that works out. Alright, so now, as you can see, we have lots of clearance. And I'm not strong enough to overcome the spring to show you. But anyway, that should work. We'll try it out. In the future, I'll try to let you know how it worked out. Anyway, thanks for watching. Please comment, rate, and subscribe. And if you keep watching and my views go up and everything, I'll take it as you guys want to see more videos again. So let me know if you want to see more videos anyway. We'll see you next time.